Tired of having crusty brows? Tired of hiding it behind your glasses? Well, it's time for you to join Benefits Brow Academy. Now we have to make sure that you're equipped. Looks like you got a few things, but let's go through the list and double check. Alright, everything looks good, so let's just open these bad boys up. First, we're going to use the Precisely My Brow pencil to sketch out our perfect brow. If you want, you can go in and add some extra hairs to the front of the brows. That's how thin this pencil is. Next up, we're going to use the Eyebrow cream gel, and this also comes with a little applicator. We're going to use this to fill in our brows to make them look extra good. No more sparse hairs for us, no more empty spots. We're filling all of those in. We're going to use the Gimme Brow Fiber Gel, and this is just going to keep our brows intact, no more stray hairs flying away during the day. That kind of rhymed. Now let's clean up our brows a little bit. I don't clean up the tail, I just focus on the start of the brow. We don't want you looking crazy, so make sure you blend that out. And now we're all done. No more hiding behind glasses. It's time for your brows to take the front row. And now we can go out and slay the world thanks to Benefit Cosmetics.